A typical Java application is divided into two directories, main and test. As you can see here, there is source directory and then there is main and test. In the main directory, we store all the main code, and in the test directory, we store the test code. But let's say you want to access the test classes from this main code. Okay. So for example, here you can see that I'm trying to access this test class 1 from here, but you can see test class 1 is actually inside this package and which is under the test directory. Okay, so if you try to access this, you will not be able to access because you can only access those classes from the main code which are defined under this directory, main Java. So how to fix this problem? So this is not recommended approach because you want to keep the main code separate and test code separate. But in case you want to do this, there is a workaround or a fix that you can apply. So in case of Gradle project, you can go to the build.gradle and then what you have to do is that add these lines. Source sets main. So basically here what we are telling is that this particular directory source test Java contains the source files. So generally only the files that are under the main directory are considered as source sets. But if you want to access the classes that are under the test directory, you will need to include those classes as a source sets using this syntax. So basically here we are doing add test source directory to main sources. Okay, there are two sources, main sources and test sources. So test sources are under this directory, but we are telling that add these test sources into main sources. So what it means is that we can access those classes. So you can see that now that error is gone. Thank you.